good? Yes. All right. What's going on, guys? It's Sam. We are back again with another ParEdits live training, and today we're going to go over how to create motion graphic templates in Premiere Pro. This is definitely something that can speed up your workflow and just make your videos just. Oh, hold on. Let me update this. But sorry, you can't see this. But yeah, this is supposed to help speed up your workflow when you're making videos, especially when you're making like branded videos, putting lower thirds on, creating title cards. I'll show you all how to do that. So to create motion, I know you guys can't see this, graphic templates, and bam. Okay. Here we go. Okay, it's a little off to the side, but it's not the end of the world. Okay, so we are here in Premiere, and we are ready to dive in. So a motion graphic template is generally something that can be seen like this. So this is well, I think one of these was created. Here, I'll mute this. But this was a video that I made for the W Hotel in Washington, D.C. And it's just like a bunch of dissolves and shot selection here. But there's no one being interviewed. But right here, this is something that you can make into a motion graphics template. So, okay. So we're not gonna. I think I might. Here. Demo. I think this one has an interview in it.
My name is Max Harris. I'm the director of banquets with Union Square Events at the Conrad.
So we can make this a motion graphics template. So this one didn't actually move, but we can make it move. We can make it animate. So I'll show you guys how to do that. But basically, a lower third like this will create the file, and then we could save it inside of Essential Graphics. See how there's like a whole list of things here. So like we can just kind of drop this in, and we can see that this is already like a little animated thingy.
Square Events at the
Oop. It's going real slow. See, it like kind of digitizes in. So we won't do that, but we can do that if we really wanted to.
Events at the Conrad, New York. Myself and my team go through the entire workshop.
So yeah, and then also like you can create a template here. So yeah, we're just gonna build a template, okay? So we are. Is there one? Is this guy? This is Mr. Hawaii, one of my favorite videos.
Hello, my name.
What is up, Rajiri? How you doing, man? We are looking at some social media videos I made for some hotels, and we are going to learn exactly how to make these motion graphics that show up here. What's up, boss? Boss DK, how you doing? Okay, hope you're doing well. Ready for some motion graphics?
Hello, my name is Kaupena Aoka Kinimaka. I studied here back in.
So yeah, see how the how his name just kind of fades on like that? We can make exactly that, and we can make that a template. So if we make it a template, then we can just keep dragging and dropping and replacing the text inside of them, and you can put those all over the place. So let's see if like anything like that pops up. No. I'm cutting this. Yeah, see, this can be a motion graphics template as well. See, it's just like a simple reveal, but they go from the two sides on this end screen. Pretending to be fine. Oh, Rajiri, I'm sorry. I'm glad you're here though. Hey, boss, I'm doing well. We are doing another live training. I'm glad to see you're here. Yeah, hope I can help. Let me know if you have any questions on motion graphics, because this is what the next half hour is all about. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a text layer. Let's pretend like, let's see how this shows up right here. It shows up just like that. Let's go ahead and add one like right here when he's talking. So I don't remember his name. Kapuana Kinimaka. Director of Safety and Security. Okay. So we are going to press T. We're going to create this title graphic. Okay. We'll call it Capuana Kinimaka. Okay. Director Safety and Security. Okay. So that's created, but it's white. We want it to be black and we want it to be smaller. And then we're also going to change the font. But we're actually going to change this. So when we highlight this graphic, we can see under Effect Controls, we can see that we have the text here. See that? We just kind of bring it up. So this is also, all this information is available within this Essential Graphics panel too. So it's right here. It's all the same. I generally like to work inside of Effect Controls because it's kind of easier and everything's all there. And then for Essential Graphics, it gets a little confusing, and you can't even animate in Essential Graphics. So forget about the Essential Graphics panel, because we're gonna put everything in motion in the Effect Controls on this file. So if we just highlight this file, we can, let's see, copy, paste. So now we've got two of them, one stacked on each other. So there we go, and they're both on the same file. So I'm actually gonna take this off, and for this one, take this off, and then hit that selection tool, drag this down, select them both. There we go. So I think I'll just do it right there. Maybe I'll keep it white, just to switch it up, because this black, I think black text on like a white background is, especially on a beautiful day in Hawaii, it just kind of pulls from it. Cool. You agree the Effect Controls are better? I'm glad. Okay, so we have both of them here. They're separate files, right? And then I want to, let's just switch up the text a little bit, just cause. I like my Lotto. Can we do Lotto? Yeah, that's more fitting. Give me the Lotto Light. Oh, whoops, it's this one, right? Safety and Security. Okay. Lotto Light. Yeah, that's prettier. Okay, so now I want to close the source text just because it takes up a lot of space, and then we've got all this information here, right? So we are going to click on this mask. So this is how we're going to make them reveal, okay? So we're going to click on this mask, and this, okay, this is for the safety and security, right? So I want this to, I think I want it to reveal like that. So let's extend this mask out, okay? So it covers the whole thing. We're going to start it off screen first. And then I'm also, actually no. Okay, so we're going to start it there. Then we're going to click the stopwatch on the mask path. Then we're going to click that mask again, go a little to the right, and then pull it over. So then it reveals, okay? And we're going to do the same thing for Capuana Kinimaka. And we're going to hit that square, okay? And make sure it's the right size. I can click on both of these by holding shift and dragging them out together. Okay, we'll make sure that line is straight. All right. So then this one I want to come from the other direction. So we're going to start here. We're going to hit the stopwatch on the path, go a little forward. Oh, okay, it changed, but it's okay. I'll realign it. Boom. Okay, so now these are both keyframed. And I also, okay, so we have, how do we want this to show up? I think we want them to show up at the same time. So let's go ahead, let's get the name first. Okay, and then we can hold shift to snap through the keyframes. Okay, so here we go. Directory of safety security. Okay, then we can also ease these keyframes so that, or can we? Oh, for some reason it's not going to let me ease in, ease out. That's a first. It is a nice name, isn't it? Okay, so we got this here, right? So it's pretty simple. We can also do something pretty cool, which is, this is actually useful for the Essential Graphics panel now. So when we're in the Essential graphics panel, this is when we can add layers. So we can create a rectangle, we can put a shape inside of here. We can just kind of, where is it? Is it up top? Yes, it is. So can scoot this down. Okay, so the shape is behind now. And then we can also, so here's this. What we can do with this is we can animate this as well. So what I'm gonna do is, let's see. So that's the appearance, right? Let's make this black, and then bring the opacity down. Am I blind? I guess we'll just do the actual. Okay, so we're gonna do that, and then let's go ahead and hit the path tool. And what we're gonna do is we're going to change the path. Okay, click on this. I wanted to go from here, little to big. Still can't use out. I wish it could. You see that? Kind of do like a little reveal here. So I'm gonna kind of make it go a little faster. Maybe even faster than that. Kind of wish I can ease in and ease out these keyframes. Yeah, see? It's kind of nice. I definitely want to pull this out a little. Okay. Okay, so now we've got box coming in, and then I just want it to like fade off here. So it's probably like an 8-frame fade. Here we go. Got it. How did I know? How did I know? I made this video in like 2014. Actually, there's a date. 2015. 8 frames, baby. Okay. And then, yeah, I agree. Maybe not that rough of edges. Let's see if we can do something here. Dun, 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 dun. You know what? We could actually, so we have a shape, right? So what we could do is, I think I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna customize it this way. So I'm gonna just make it bigger. Okay. So it's large now. And the way I'm gonna do it, okay, so the text is all out there. I'm gonna do a mask. Okay, so I've got a mask. Just gonna do this. Okay, that should be okay. And okay, sorry. Let's get the specifics. Okay, then we're gonna do a feather. Look at that feather. Let's see how that looks. Interesting. So we got a harsh line there. That's the only downside. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna animate the mask as well. So where's that shape? There you are. Okay, so I see the path here. So I'm gonna take the mask path and I hit this arrow, put another keyframe, and then we're going to change the mask path. We're going to bring it down. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Oh, did it not expand? What's going on here, fellas? Oh, because I changed the mask expansion. That's why. Put this back. Oh, wait. Put one here, and then make this 0. Okay, makes sense? What? Maybe make the expansion even more? That's nice. Okay, but we can just kind of bring the opacity up. Kind of nice. But should I have the expansion? Nah. Maybe a little less of a feather. How about that? So this is what we got going on. I think it's not too bad. I think it's a little claustrophobic on the edges, but yeah, we can keep working with it. Okay, so it's just a matter of like how you want it to match the video. And for now, like I'll accept this. Okay, so how do we make this a motion graphics template? Okay, so now we got, you know, the director. Here, let me just sort this. So we got the name, the director, the shape that does the whole animation. We want to make sure we can save all these keyframes because we just put all this work into here, right? And like there's a bunch of keyframes on the text, like there's animation everywhere. So let's go ahead and right click it. We're gonna export as a motion graphics template, baby. Let's go. So this window pops up. I'm gonna call this lower third Hawaii, baby. Okay, local templates folder. I'd rather just put it in my library because Creative Cloud has like a, you know, it's got its own cloud storage. So we're gonna pop that in there. I don't need the video thumbnail. These fonts are not okay. Cool. Bam. All right, so we just exported it. So now should be right here, sitting in the library. Okay, so we're gonna put another one right over these guys playing on the beach. Just gonna drag it in. Bam, look at that, guys. Just popped another one right in there. We put like, we just put you know, chilling on the beach, Hawaii. Awesome. You gotta join. Can't see it. Oh, you guys didn't see that window? Really? Oh, let me do it again. I'm sorry. I know why. It's because I have this on. Bah. Okay. But okay, I'll show you the export window again. The text didn't fit? Oh no. Or did I not? Okay, so if the text is too long, that poses a new issue. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to pop in here. I believe the mask. Interesting. So it looks like because it's a solid graphic, I can't change the masks, okay? So you see this? So I'm gonna have to re-export it anyways. So we'll see the window this time, I promise. Okay, so I'm going to, because I wanna have that go long, all I need to do is, oh, that was just a glitch. Dang it. Okay, whatever. Okay, so we are going to change the mask location of this. Okay, so see how it goes only as far as the text. So I want to make the mask go even further. So we're just going to drag it out so that you can fit as much text as you like. Because it's not all about... Actually, you know what? I don't know if I want to do that. Because that means it has to travel further. Okay. New issue. Let's just do it. Just depending on the length. I mean, I guess you could just change it depending on the length of your text. But yeah, see how, like, let's say I extend this mask, right? So I'm going to extend this mask out just so I can fit more text up here. But when I go back, well, I did just create a new keyframe. Oh, this one's okay, actually. This one I can extend out because it won't cut it off. Okay, see that? Okay, now the other one, that's the problem. The other one moves like that. Now what I want to do is I don't necessarily want to move it, but I do want to extend this out. So then when I go back, it goes faster. That's the only thing. See how it goes faster? It's because it's covering more distance. Okay. This is a little complicated, but I hope you guys understand what's happening. That's only like an as-needed basis. You won't. It depends on how much text you're putting in, which you shouldn't be putting in that much text. I was just messing around. Okay, so export as motion graphics template. Bam. Okay, so we got this name. I'll call it lower third polite 2. Okay, save it in my library. I could put it in a local templates folder, but library is nice because depending on where I, yeah, there we go. Library is nice because depending on where I am working on a video, if it's on a different computer, I could just sign into my Creative Cloud account and then access that through my library. So if I just save it in there, upload to Creative Cloud library. Okay, and now under Browse, we see my templates. You can also get Adobe stock ones. These ones you have to pay for. But yeah, my templates. You can have local templates folders, but I'm just going to do libraries in my library. Okay, so we got both here. And then all we have to do, drag and drop. Sweet, I'm glad you guys could see it now. Okay, so we just drag and drop, and then we know that this pops up. Okay, we're going to fit. This is going to be go to the beach. And then, oops. It's really nice. Go to the beach. It's really nice. See? Perfect. And then you can just kind of fade it off. Ah, beautiful. So does that make sense, guys? Okay, so something you can also do is you can create a title card. So let's do that as well. So let's go ahead and color matte. Bam. And make this white. Okay. Put a color matte. Okay. So back into Essential Graphics. Oh, actually, I think the only way to create a motion graphics template. Can I do it without the color map? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go into Essential Graphics and we're gonna see the Edit tab, and we have nothing highlighted, right? So we're just gonna click New Item. We're gonna do an ellipse because why not? And then since we have this item, we have this graphic. Excuse me, sorry. Thank you. I'm glad that you like it. Okay, so now let's scale this baby up. Okay, so it's gonna take up the whole screen. Doesn't matter that it's an ellipse. I just want this. Okay. Actually, no, it does matter that it's an ellipse. I'm going to get a rectangle, and the reason is because I want to create a vignette. So let's give me that path. There we go. Thank you. Okay, so that takes up the whole screen, right? So I also want to add a vignette. So I'm going to look up Lumetri color. I'm going to drag whatever on here. I am going to reset it, and then I'm going to click on vignette. And let's bring that amount down. See, we got a nice little vignette going. Okay, so now, still inside of here, still inside of Essential Graphics, we're going to add some text. Okay, we're going to put, let's say, girl, no, I'm good, Rajiri, I swear. We're going to do, check out this beach. I'm going to do it in all caps. Check out this beach. And then let me bring this down. I'm going to make it Lotto Black Italics. And then we're going to make the text like a soft gray. Oh, I gotta highlight it. Make that a soft gray. And I didn't do the black italic. Cool. And then click on this little guy, drag it in, bada bing. Check out this beach. And then can we get an image file in here, guys? Can we get random pictures? Let's get this turtle in here, baby. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, so we got a turtle. We got a little turtle just eating a little sprout. Okay, and I think that this turtle is gonna steal the show. So what's gonna happen is first the opacity of this turtle is gonna start at 0, and then it's gonna go to 100. Okay, and so when it goes to 100. I want the text to move, okay? So we're gonna get that. I'm gonna make this go here, this go here, this go right here, okay? Oh my gosh, I can ease in now. Wow, I don't know why I couldn't do it before. Do like a little ease in, ease out. Just kind of moves like that. See that? Check out this beach, okay? And kind of scoot this down. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, and then we can't put an adjustment layer in here, can we? I wish we could. Unless, oh yes we can. Okay, we're gonna do transform. It works just like an adjustment layer. So I want to transform this baby. I'm gonna put it up top. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a slow scale. Okay, so like 115. Okay, so over time. Check out this beach. Maybe I'll have this pop on. Okay, so we're gonna scale this. Hello. We are playing with a turtle. Yeah, this is an adorable little turtle. Okay, so I'm not gonna move this actually for a little. Okay, because I want to put that scale go up. Let's do 115. Oh no! See how it went up like that? When I scaled it up, it went up like that. I don't want that. So I gotta move that anchor point, baby. Give me that. Bam. Anchor point right in the center. So now we can go to 115. And we're good. See? Scaling up from the center. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it doing that? Oh. Because the anchor point. Anchor point got all screwy. So let's remove that. Move this back to the center. Alright, only got a few minutes to show you guys this. Trying to do it in a fast amount of time. I don't want to make this a hold. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When does that turtle show up? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay. Check out this beach. Let's ease out. Let's ease in. Sorry, you guys can't even see the keyframes I'm doing. I'm just so used to like doing stuff like this. Okay. Then we're gonna go back to 100. Bam. Oh yeah, look at that. How about it? Okay, so now I think I'm gonna scoot these down because I don't want it. What opacity? Okay, because where's the shape? Okay, shape. So we're gonna mess with the opacity here too. Okay, so I'm gonna set the opacity to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5, 6. It's gonna be 6% fade. Okay, and then I want it to show up, and then the turtle is supposed to come hang out. All right, see this, guys? Like this? Oh, let me get rid of these. Okay. So this was our first one. Then we repeated it, said go to the beach, it's really nice. Fades off too fast. Come on, Sam, what are you doing? Okay. Practice safety and security. Go to the beach, it's really nice. Check out this beach. That slow zoom with the turtle. Ah, it's gorgeous. See? Okay, and then we can right-click this, export as motion graphics template. It takes the picture with it. Ah, it's amazing. And that was just a picture. Imagine doing that with like a video effect. You could do it with a transition. You could do it with like anything. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, you just save it, just like, you know, I'm gonna call this title card Hawaii. Oops, that would be all caps. Ba ba ba. Okay, and then when we go to Essential Graphics, we browse. Boom, we got the title card right here. So you can just kind of drop that in. Maybe this one would be. Check out this tree. Oh, it's not centered. I should have centered the text. But yeah, see? Check out this tree. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We have reached our cap. We've gone through this entire tutorial. I hope this makes sense. We created some cool motion graphics, had some fun with it. And I'm glad you guys could join me today. And if you need any additional help, you can sign up and schedule a call with me on the ParEdits helpline. There's a link in the description down below. Also, if you want to learn how to create and design video content for your own brand, I created a little course. It's a free mini course, and there's 3 lessons in there. You can create video content for your brand in 90 minutes, and I put a lot of work into that, so I hope you guys check that out as well. So, yeah, thanks for joining me on this one, guys. Stay tuned for the next one coming on Thursday? Today's Tuesday. Yeah. Thursday. Thursday at 10 a.m. Same time, 10 a.m. Pacific, because I'm in LA, so that's how I do it. But yeah, thanks for joining, guys, and I will see you in the next one.